gonna be over soon. Don't touch my ear, you little birdie bird.
Little birdie bird. Okay, come here, little birdie bird. Okay, your story.
And okay, I have 3 accounts in Instagram. And first, I'm only doing this myself. It's called I Love Chili Dogs.
Take a pizza. Okay, and then?
Okay, and second account is I'm doing with Tails, my sidekick. And it's called Hedgehog. Oh, I know.
So Amy has her own account, right? On Instagram.
Okay, the third account. Sorry, guys, this is private. Oh, I know. I'm doing it with Sonic. It's called Sonic. Sonic.
Yeah? That's okay. Yeah, I'm taking video.
Like a night. Because are you thinking that I'm a different person?
Okay.
What's your real name? I'm Thorns, the Dragon Hedgehog. Dragon Hedgehog? Oh wait, this is ridiculous. Wow, look, my mother's a hedgehog and my father's a dragon. Huh? Oh wait.
Oh, she is a kind of mixed creature, dragon and a hedgehog.
That's why you're called a dragon hedgehog. Well, yeah. This means I got it from Papa.
Oh, okay.
Really? So, do you know a girl called Amy Rose? Who's that? She's living on Earth. Actually, I don't know what Earth is. Do you know the planet with green and what are you trying to do with that?
He was trying to do bite the flower.
Okay.
Okay.
The green and blue. You call that Earth? Well, yeah, we call that Earth.
But where is she living?
And what is this planet?
Yeah, what is that planet? Is that Mars?
It's called Dragon Mars.
Dragon Mars. Okay, it's not Mars. I just imagine that.
Mars.
Mars.
No, Mars.
Mars.
No, wait, it's Mars. Oh, this is Dragon Mars. It's a Mars. It's not Earth. Earth is the Earth.
Oh, they're rhyming. Yeah, of course.
It's not